If you're thinking about buying a house, especially if this is your first time, you're probably wondering where to start. It's no secret that sometimes the home buying process can be incredibly complex and stressful. There are a lot of moving pieces and a lot of pitfalls you want to make sure to avoid. At Bluefield Realty Group, we've broken the home buying journey down into a simple, 3-stage process that we help hundreds of buyers through each year. Buying a home doesn't have to be scary. We'll be with you every step of the way from start to finish so that finding the right house will be as easy and stress-free as possible. First, we'll put together a game plan. When you sit down with one of our agents, we'll start by asking you some questions about your situation and what's important to you. We'll help you clarify your wants and your needs and discuss other important factors like school districts, amenities, and proximity to some of your favorite places. We'll also set you up with a saved search on our website, bluefieldgroup.com, to make sure that you never miss a new listing that could be a potential fit. During the planning stage, we're also going to make sure that you get connected with a great mortgage lender so you can start discussing interest rates, down payment requirements, closing costs, and more. If you plan on using financing to purchase your home, getting a pre-approval letter is an important step to put you in a position to make an offer once you find the right house. Next, it's time to go shopping. You and your agent will work together to compile a list of properties to go tour in person and see if they'd be a good fit. Many times, this is a process of elimination more than a process of selection. Depending on your situation, your budget, and what you're looking for, this process could be fairly simple or it could end up taking some time. In a competitive market, you may need to write offers on a few different properties before the right one comes along and we're able to secure a contract. While this might seem tedious and frustrating, don't get discouraged. Your agent will be with you every step of the way while we're searching for the right house. Last but not least, it's time for the closing process. Now this is the home stretch with things like inspections, repairs, appraisal, title search, and more. There are a lot of moving pieces in this stage, many of which are taking place with third-party vendors, and our team will coordinate with everyone involved to make sure that things keep moving smoothly and we take as much off your plate as possible. If you're ready to take the first step, call or email us today and we'll get you connected with one of our top agents who will guide you through the journey of planning, shopping, and closing so that your dream of finding the right home can become a reality.